is good, YouTube? So we're back again like usual, and this video is going to be on the Osmo Pocket 3, and what we're going to be talking about is the settings on it, because I've been getting tons of comments and all that on my Instagram. I've been posting a lot of rolling videos and rolling shots and all that cool stuff with the Osmo Pocket 3, and I finally got the settings dialed in. So I'm going to show you guys the secret to getting those super crisp 4K rolling shots of your car. As you can see, my car's black chrome, so it's kind of hard to capture a lot of that on the video, that exact color and all that cool stuff, especially with the carbon fiber. And with these settings, it captures that stuff so good and crisp. It just looks absolutely amazing. So I'm going to share my settings with you guys that I also got from Black Tire Media on Instagram. Look him up. He has amazing content. He's a videographer out here in Arizona. Hit him up if you want rollers and all that cool stuff. But he helped me out with the settings on the Osmo Pocket 3, which I'm going to pull out in a second. It's in my car right now. But besides that, let's get into that setting video so you guys can see exactly how to get that crisp quality. So right off the rip, you're going to need one of these. This is the Mob Max arm blade, I believe it's called. You're going to need this. This is a must. Let's see how it works. As you can see, it has like a suspension spring on it, so when you hit bumps and all that cool stuff, it still keeps it straight. There isn't also an auto lock on the Osmo Pocket 3 itself. As you can see, once you go into the settings and get the app and all that cool stuff, you can lock onto the vehicle while it's moving, so it's going to be super smooth. You gotta get over here, man. Let's go, baby. Here we go. You know the neighbor had to pull up on me. But back on topic, as you can see, here it is. Got it all dialed in. As you can see right here, it says 4K 25. That is going to be part of the settings that we are going to get to. But I'm going to kind of walk you guys through it so you can see exactly how to do it, because it could be confusing on here, you know. And a filter is a must. So you got to get the filter kit to get that crisp quality because of the light. If you get this camera, it's almost useless right off the rip. Without that, you won't get the highest quality you can get without those filters. So that is definitely a must. Get the CPL filters and all the other cool stuff. I'll go through that, like I said, later in the video. But let's get back into it. So as you can see, as I have this up, I don't like shooting horizontally too much, but you can do it this way, and it goes vertically on the screen and on the app that you would need for this camera. But typically when I shoot, I have it in this mode right here. Make that stay on. You can change that in the settings. But look at that. You can't see nothing through there, and that is with no filter on this camera at all. You cannot see anything. So that's why I have these bad boys right here. Let's get that dialed in so you can see. These are a must. Like I said, when it's super bright out, I usually do the higher one. I'll pick it out right now. I'll show you guys the difference. Okay, so this is the ND64 filter on it. As you can see the car way more clear on here. Let me see if I could get that focused in on there so you can really see it. But as you can see, the car looks amazing on this camera right now with that filter on, which is the one I like using because it really makes it sharp and it pops out a lot more on the video. Okay, and now for the settings on the camera itself. Resolution 3K or 4K, depending if you shoot horizontally or vertically. Video frame rate 25. ISO is 100 and shutter is 150. These are the settings you will need to shoot those crisp, clear rolling shots. Of course, with the ND filter as well. As for the settings, those are the settings I use for the rolling shots and all those cool videos that you see with that crisp, super crisp quality. So if you have any more questions or anything like that, just let me know in the comments. But that's exactly what I use. I know there's different ones for non-rolling shots, so there's still shots and stuff like that. There's a lot more to it than just that. But those settings that I have been getting insane, super sick rolling shots of this car, like I said, with the black chrome on it, and they have been coming out absolutely sick. So I hope that answers all your questions that I see in the comments wanting this quality settings video. But yeah, Osmo Pocket 3, $500, well worth it. I would definitely buy the one if I were you. I was hesitant about it in the beginning because I had the Insta360 camera, which I didn't really like that much. It was cool, but it wasn't my style. So if you're thinking about getting it, go get one. $500, well worth it. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos of this car.